Hi everyone, so this is the second example on how to factor quadratics. So this one says factor 3x squared minus 26x minus 9. Okay, so for this one, it is the same thing that we did on the last video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and do, like I said, you're gonna label your A, B, and C. So this is A, this is B, and then we can put this one as C. Okay. This one, so A equals 3, B equals negative 26, and C equals negative 9. Okay. So, so what you have to do is you have to do your X box. So you have negative 27, and then you have, because that's your A, it's your A times C, and then this is your B term. Our B term is negative 26, and we want to know two numbers that multiply to get negative 27 and add to get negative 26, okay? And so basically we want two numbers that multiply to get negative 27 and add to get negative 26. So that means that, so if we have m and n, that means that m times n has to be equal to negative 27, and m plus n has to be equal to negative 26. Be careful, you don't want to go ahead and do, like, how do you call it, systems of equations with these, because it's just gonna make a mess. I tried doing that I think in the other video, and you know, it wasn't working. So, basically, so we're gonna first do our factors of negative 27, okay? So we have negative 27 and 1, negative 3 and 9, and then I believe that's it. So looking at this can be, so basically here, this can be, sorry, hold on. This can be our m term, or m, and then this over here can be our n term, okay? Looking at this, I can already tell which one it's gonna be. Obviously, if you're not sure, here we have, so it's negative 27 times 1, that's going to be negative 27, and then if we add these two, we're going to get negative 26, okay? So those are two perfect numbers that we can use for our X box here. So we can say negative 27 and 1, and then we go ahead and we do our box, okay? Remember that, so let me see, hold on. Let me try to actually move this a little bit. Okay. So, remember that in our box, how it normally is drawn, you would have something. So basically, you would have your box, and then here would be your ax squared. Here would be your mx, your nx, and then your c term. Okay. According to our equation, our a is equal to 3. Okay, we have it right here. A equals 3. So we're gonna put 3x squared over here. Okay. If we look at our first term, negative 27, we can do that. We can put negative 27x right here. And then we have 1x, so we can just put x over here. You can put a 1 right here if it helps you, just so that you don't get yourself confused. For me, it's pretty easy. You can put a 1 if it really helps you, though, if you're not familiar with how to do it. And then you have your c term. Our c is going to be negative 9. Okay. So now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and ask yourself, well, you basically need a number that can be multiplied by to get x and 3x squared, okay? Because you don't want to kind of mess up your values. What I would do is I would put 3x here and I would put x over here. That way it's kind of cleaner, and we can just put, it's 3x times x, that's 3x squared, and then once we do that, we have x times something will give us x, so then it would be times 1, and then that way we then have something like negative 27x divided by 3x, that's going to be negative 9x, and then 1 times negative 9 is negative 9. So that's kind of how the box works again, if you watched my previous video. So then we have the following solution. So we have 3x squared minus 26x minus 9 factors as the quantity x minus 9 times 3x minus 1. Okay? So this is our answer. And yeah, so that's exactly how you do this one. And so I'm gonna go, I think after this one, I'm gonna do like 4 more examples. So I hope this helps you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.